Hey guys, good afternoon. So I didn't vlog all day, I didn't vlog this morning, but I just finished picking up Jordan from school, so now I am opening up some windows to let some fresh air in here. At this back window, we can just see some apartments beside us outside. Scentsy going here. I need to actually get some new scent doors, so I need to replace that. Buy some Scentsy, some different scents. Then I have to go on Okinawa yard sale and see if anybody is selling any. Otherwise I have to buy the dollar store brand. Let's see, where's the screen on this side? So I'm glad it's starting to cool down. Here's some more Play-Doh. Oh yeah, I forgot to hang up these clothes. And I did a laundry chat today. So if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. It'll be in the description box as well as in the iCard above. Huh? Trying to stand up. And Jordan's here with purple hair ties in her hair. Say hi, guys.
I don't.
No, purple hair ties. This color is purple. Jordan. Yes, yes. Okay, she's all on the phone because she just got home from school. Jordan's all dressed. Jordan.
All dressed. I all dressed.
Aw, cute. So her room kind of looks messy all the time because she has a lot of toys that she plays with daily. So we put them away in the toy box and they end up back on the floor. And of course, she just got this new. Oh, where'd you find this? Oh, cool. We thought we lost it.
Yeah. Just like this. I just like it.
What? Good job. Now I feel super stupid because I was digging in the trash can, like looking inside the trash for that little bed piece to the bed, but it's joined in with the boat. That's really neat.
You shouldn't find it.
Adam's like fidget spinner.
You like it.
No, I didn't find it. Who found it? Did Daddy find it or you did?
I did. Like this and like this.
So you found it.
Yeah.
Awesome. You did a good job finding it.
Yeah.
So you had a good day. You had a good day at school today?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? Coloring?
Yeah, they're not coloring it. There's a lot of people at my school because they're fighting a lot.
Oh, really?
What?
Yeah. So Adam crawled all the way in his sister's room from the living room. He was like, y'all left. I had to change your sister. I had to change her, man.
Mom, I'm gonna get the Play-Doh section.
We're gonna use the Play-Doh at the table or on your floor. Huh? You want to play with it in your room? Okay, let's show everybody what we bought. Okay. So we kind of went to like, this is the store we bought all this stuff from in Sakimoto. So it's kind of like, how can I explain it? Kind of like a Dollar General store. So let's see, what do we have here? Pull hard. If you pull it hard, you can open it. Alright, I'll help you. Store, so we bought some Play-Doh utensils. This was $2. Of 9 Play-Doh for $5, so that's really good. She got 9 colors. And then we bought some really teeny tiny erasers. And I know I keep talking about my giveaway, but I'm doing it really soon, okay? Like probably tomorrow, doing the giveaway. But anyway, so she can use this for her little animal. Let's focus. Let's focus. If this guy wants to order like a McDonald's set, you can give him the food. Jordan's stove is making noise by itself. Look at that. What was that?
Adam?
No, Adam's over here with us. Look, there it goes again. There it goes again. Take the pan off the stove. Okay, it shouldn't make any more noise now. Okay. Alright, so maybe that's what happened. Woo. I was like, what's going on with that? George eating french fries. Daddy Pig is eating his burger. And Adam's right here playing with this toy. Earlier today, I got Jordan a surprise. so I'm gonna see if she will notice it in here. It's me! Oh yeah, by the way, this is Adam's crib sheets, but they're way too big. We did end up getting them, so I'm gonna have to order a different kind on Amazon because these are not supposed to be this big like that. But that is the theme. He's gonna have arrows in here, an adventure theme type thing. What is that? Do you know what it is? We'll put it over here.
It's from Toys R Us.
Yeah, it's from Toys R Us. What is it? Let's open it, okay. It's a hole at the bottom. You can open it from the bottom. You gotta hurry up. Look, at the bottom. Rip it open. Oh, my camera's about to die. Look. What is it?
Wow! It's cool.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's a Just Like Home sink.
Sink.
Look, and the water actually works. The water comes out of here and you can wash dishes like mommy.
Oh, yeah.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, you can open it.
Mama made a spoon for George.
You made a spoon for George out of your Play-Doh? Okay. Y'all see that? Now the air conditioner is leaking all over the floor, and it was doing it yesterday and now it's doing it again. So I'm gonna have to show maintenance. And I called today, but yeah, I called the maintenance person this morning and they were like, we don't have an English speaker, so you have to call tomorrow. So now my air conditioner is leaking. So that might be part of the reason why it doesn't get as cool in my house anymore. All right, so Jordan's gonna help me make a smoothie. First, we're gonna put in some bananas. All right, so here's all my ingredients for my smoothie. I just realized we don't have any almond milk. All right, good job. All right, I'm gonna pour some water in it. Good job. You want? Look who's home.
Made it. Hey. Hey. Hey.
She's looking for something to throw at you.
Me and Jordan finished the puzzle. Jordan. Me and Jordan finished this troll puzzle. Rock and troll. Say rock and troll.
Rock and roll.
Good job, Jordan. 5.
Are you hungry, babe? Alright guys, so tonight's dinner is stir-fried rice and steak and onions. Sit at the table and eat it. Looks like I'm the only one that's hungry and we're not going anywhere because it's hot and we're tired.
It is hot.
So I know I brought the fan out. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Adios.
Jordan and Alex, say bye.